iPhone 13 Pro Max. It came to me dead, and when I opened it, connected to my power supply, I noticed instantly hitting the audio IC section. After I removed the shielding and cut off, I found the short by the smoke therapy with the audio IC. So it will be removed. In the Borneo schematic also, it's showing this confirm the audio IC. Yeah, it's named the audio IC 3385000537 number IC. Set fully dead right now by the audio IC. So we will remove it or rebolling. If not, I will change the IC. Okay, thank you for watching.